Welcome to another episode of Creative Cooking. I'm your host, David Santos. And today we're going to make that tried and true banana cream pudding. You know, the recipe on the side of the Nilla wafer box. Really? Yeah. If you're the type of person who likes to see it done before trying it out, stick around and I'll take you through all the steps to make this delicious recipe at home. So let's get started. I like to cook mise en place, that is, to gather everything together in advance. We have 5 bananas, 1/2 cup of sugar, and then 1/4 cup of sugar for something else, salt, some flour, vanilla extract, and 2 cups of whole milk. If you try to use skim milk, I can't guarantee the results, although I'm entertaining the idea of using almond milk or some milk alternative. Feel free to try that. Step 2. Separate the eggs. Well, almost. As you can see, these eggs don't want to separate using a so-called egg separator. And I think that's because these were very fresh eggs. And I left this in the video intentionally because I want to show you the way I prefer to do it. And that is, just crack the egg into a small bowl and then pour that bowl over your hand. Make sure your fingers are together, but over your hand, and the white will just simply slip out underneath. And when you're done, you'll have this beautiful yolk, undamaged, and all the whites in the bowl. So give that a try. Step 3. Now you want to whisk together the egg yolks, the salt, the sugar, the milk, and the vanilla extract. Make sure that the milk is cold and that the water in the bottom of your double boiler is still cool when you do this. If you don't, you will get lumps. And the key here is to just keep whisking. As the milk comes up to temperature, the mixture will start to thicken. You'll want to continue to whisk that until you notice that the pudding will not get thicker. At that point, you're done. Just take it off the heat, set it aside, and get on to the next step. Step 4. Use a hand mixer set on the highest setting and beat the egg whites until they become foamy. Now you'll have to be patient because this takes about 5 minutes. Just keep whisking. They'll eventually whip up into a nice foamy, frothy, white type of thing, like a marshmallow, right? And at that point, you can go ahead and gradually add some sugar. I think in this case here, we're using a 1/4 cup of sugar. Just keep gradually putting it in, and it'll dissolve with the egg whites, with the moisture in the egg whites. Step 5. Now you're ready for final assembly. Start with some pudding on the bottom and then follow with a single layer of cookies, over which you will then add your sliced bananas. Repeat that step until you have 3 layers. You will have used up all of your ingredients except for the meringue. Next, you want to spread the meringue around the top. The best way to do that is just throw it in dollops all the way around, and then just use the back side of the spoon to spread it out. As you can see, I'm having a real good time doing this. I actually do enjoy doing this. Anyway, once that's done, then all you got to do is take the back side of the spoon and just touch the top of the meringue and lift up very quickly, and that'll form a little peak. You'll want to repeat that over the entire surface, and yeah, you will have fun doing this, I guarantee it. Well, that's it. If this video was helpful to you, please let me know in the comment section below. I appreciate your support. Until next time, bon appetit.